Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Excel Ferrari Fatahila. You can call me Excel. I am from Mathematics Education Department of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka University. In this video, I will tell you about the addition and subtraction to angles of trigonometry. So, please your attention, keep on watching, and let's start begin. Addition and subtraction to angles of trigonometry is an important material because this material can help all students to determine an angle that is not included in a special angle. We can add as well as subtract an angle. The goal is to make it easier for us to determine the angle value. Okay, before we study about the addition and subtraction to angles of trigonometry, you should remember about the special angle value. And you can remember it through a special trigonometric table for a special angle. Now, I will show you about the table of trigonometry. So attention please about my explanation. This is a trigonometry table for the special angle value. You must remember it to learn about the addition and subtraction to angles of trigonometry. So this is trigonometry table on quadrant 1, and look at this, and trigonometry table on quadrant 2, and trigonometry table on quadrant 3, and for the last trigonometry table on quadrant 4. So now I will tell you about the formula of addition and subtraction to angles of trigonometry. And the first, the formula addition to angles of trigonometry. And for addition of sin, it is if sin in the bracket alpha plus beta equals sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. And the addition of cos, if cos in the bracket alpha plus beta equals to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. And the addition of tan in the bracket if tan in the bracket if tan in the bracket alpha plus beta equals tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 tan alpha tan beta. Now I will show about the formula subtraction to angle of trigonometry. If sin in the bracket alpha minus beta equals to sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. And the subtraction of cos, if cos in the bracket alpha minus beta equals cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. And the last subtraction of tan, if tan in bracket alpha minus beta equals to tan alpha minus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Now I have about the example practice about the addition and subtraction to angles of trigonometry. So look at there. I have one question about the addition and subtraction to angles, and this is using the formula for addition of two angles. So what is the value of sin 75 degrees and the cos 75 degrees and the tan 105 degrees? So I will answer about the sin 75 degrees, and the answer is we can use the sin in the bracket alpha plus beta equals the sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. So I can write here sin 75 degrees equals to sin in bracket 45 degrees plus 60 degrees. The equals to sin 45 degrees cos 60 degrees plus cos 45 degrees sin 60 degrees. Because the value of sin 45 degrees equals to 1 over 2 the square root of 2, and the value of cos 30 degrees it is 1 over 2 equals 1 over 2 the square root of 3, and the value of cos 45 degrees it is 1/2 the square root of 2, and the value of sin 30 degrees, it is 1/2. So the result is to 1/2 the square root of 2 times 1/2 the square root of 3 plus 1/2 the square root of 2 times 1/2 equals to 1/4 the square root of 6 plus 1/4 the square root of 2. So the equals to 1/4 in bracket the square root of 2 plus the square root of the square root of 6 plus the square root of 2. And the next question is, what is the value of cos 75 degrees? And the answer is, I use for the cos if cos in the bracket alpha plus beta equals to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So I can write here cos 75 degrees equals to cos in the bracket 45 degrees plus 60 degrees. So I can write here equals to cos 45 degrees times cos 60 cos 30 degrees minus sin 45 degrees times sin 60 degrees. So because the value of 45 degrees equals to 1/2 the square root of 2, and the value of cos 30 degrees it is 1/2 the square root of 3, and the value of sin 45 degrees it is 1/2 the square root of 2, and the last for the value of sin 30 equals to 1/2. So the result is 1/2 the square root of 2 times 1/2 the square root of 3 minus 1/2 the square root of 2 times 1/2 equals to 1/4 the square root of 6 minus 1/4 the square root of 2. So the equals to 1/4 in bracket the square root of 6 minus the square root of 2. So the last for the question, it is, what is the value of tan 105 degrees? So for the answer is, look at this. Tan 105 degrees equals to tan in bracket 60 degrees plus 45 degrees. I will use for the formula of tan, addition of tan, it is tan in the bracket of alpha plus beta equals to tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha times tan beta. So I can write here tan 105 degrees equals to tan 60 degrees plus tan 45 degrees over 1 minus tan 60 degrees times tan 45 degrees equals to, because the value of tan 60 degrees it is the square root of 3, and the value of tan 45 degrees equals to 1, and I can write here it is 1 minus because the value of tan 60 degrees it is the square root of 3, and the tan 45 degrees equals to 1. So I can write the square root of 3 plus 1/1 minus the square root of 3 times 1 equals to the square root of 3 plus 1 minus the square root of 3 plus 1 over 1 minus the square root of 3 equals to the square root of 3 plus 1 over 1 minus the square root of 3 times 1 plus the square root of 3 over 1 plus the square root of 3 equals the value of tan 105 degrees it is minus in the bracket 2 plus the square root of 3. So I think this is enough for explanation about the addition and subtraction to angles of trigonometry, and thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.